Do you also choose the people around you? Clock in with me. Kasi for me, with the storms that I have in life, personally, I do try to face it all alone talaga. Pero I'm very lucky with the people around me who I can depend on, and most importantly, who can be brutally honest with me. Talagang sobrang swerte ko dun, especially in this roller coaster we all call life. Talagang sa mga decisions ko, sa mga mistakes, and pag nawawala ako sa path na gusto ko, I'm very lucky to have those people who can tell it straight to my face out of love. Wow. Kaya nga they have the saying na, tell me who your friends are and I'll tell you who you are, diba? Kasi it's really important yung that small community that you have in life on your walk na makakapag-guide sa'yo, diba? Tsaka dito, tulungan na lang din tayo eh. Diba? May mga na-experience ka na hindi ko na-experience na makakatulong sa akin and vice versa. So, yeah, I'm very, very lucky. Kahit napalipat-lipat ako dati, to have this very loyal friends na kung tutuusin, anong nabibigay ko sa kanya kasi we have that thinking diba? Pero yeah, we're there for each other and yeah, I'm basically lucky for it. Kaya appreciate niyo yung mga taong sobrang honest sa inyo to the point na parang ang sakit. Pero alam mo yung it comes out of love na gusto lang nilang i-point ka in the right direction. Kayo ba? Do you also have those people? Kasi for me, kung hindi ganon, kung hindi ganyan, wag na lang.